Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a new and amazing project, so don't skip the video from anywhere and watch the video completely till the end so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So if you are new to our channel and did not subscribe our channel, so first of all subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every upcoming new video of ours. In the link bar you can see there is a link by the name of babybitcoin.me. I will provide this link in the description of the video. As you click on it, you will come to this website whose interface is currently in front of you. At the top left side you can see its logo and its name, which is Baby Bitcoin, and here you can see some of its tab in which home, white diaper, roadmap, dex pool and how available here. Catch the craze, dive into the playful world of Baby Bitcoin, where crypto meets fun like never before. Born from the legendary Bitcoin, Baby Bitcoin is here to make a gigantic splash in the NFT versus digital currency playground. So you can see it's to buy bib on Radium. You can easily buy it on Radium. So you can see here Binance Live. So click on play button and you can see here live Binance. Why Baby Bitcoin? Simple and fun trading Baby Bitcoin is easy peasy, perfect for both crypto enthusiasts and beginners. Community centric, join our vibrant community that's as enthusiasts about meme as there are about growth. That's as enthusiastic about as they are about growth. So in safe and secure with robust blockchain technology, our transactions are safe with us, ensuring you sleep like a baby. So guys, here you can see it's a buy button, so click on it to buy its token. So first of all you connect your wallet. Guys, here first of all you connect your wallet and buy its token easily. So suppose I put here one, so in one Solana you can get the Baby Bitcoin token amount that's shown here. So it's a minimum received, you can see here, and its price impact is 1.48%. so you can now here you can not buy its no buy its token because you have insufficient balance. So next in tokenomics, acquire Baby Bitcoin purchased directly from Jupiter or Radium. Enjoy and spend. Use Baby Bitcoin from transactions, connecting unique digital goodies or holding for potential future growth. 1 billion tokens fair launch on Pump Fun. Its symbol is a baby, blockchain Solana, and next you can see its roadmap which have three phases. So in phase 1 it have a website launch, token creation, community launch, and in phase 2 dex listings, dex listing, cex listing, and marketing or community. And in phase 3 NFT market with 0% fees, airdrops, and new utilities learning resources. So in development roadmap, play pen is coming soon. Participate in fun filled events and competitions that could see your Baby Bitcoin balance grow. Before we launch the playpen, a place where you can create spell by NFTs with your Baby Bitcoin with 0% deep fees. This will be a world first. So its launch date is 14 August 2024 and listed on Radium by the token on Jupiter or Radium. So you can see its price in with the ROI, and it's also you can observe its market cap. So how to get Bitcoin babies? So by on Radium DEX we had 1.4 chance of success to reach the pump.fun bounding curve target of $58,000 and get listed on Radium. We did it in 3 days starting with 0 followers. So buy on Jupiter, all you have to do is to connect your Solana wallet to trade Baby Bitcoin on Jupiter Swap, one of the most common platform to trade, or on Radium pools and other DEX pools. Create, buy, sell NFTs, buy or create NFTs and sell them in the NFT market with 0 developers fees. Keep 100% of the value. Hold Baby Bitcoin. We have amazing features planned to be released soon. You have so you can multiply your Baby Bitcoins. So next you can see its social media communities and its white paper. So here first of all we read out about its white paper. So you must download it, it's a white paper, and completely read out the white paper so that you can understand the whole project and generate maximum earning through it. So it have introduction and its project mission, project vision, its tokenomics, and also its roadmap etc. So guys, you also must read the whole white paper so that you can understand the whole project. You can see its social media communities in which Telegram and Twitter are given here. So you must join these communities to get its updates. In the Telegram, it have 1043 members, in which 139 are online. So you must join this community to get its updates, and you can get help from its community. Next you can also see its Twitter community, which have 4036 followers. So you also must join this community to get its news and updates. So here you can see its updates as the form of tweet, so you can retweet them to get help. So guys, that's the project today I review. I hope this video is very informative for you. Take care. Thanks.